Welcome student. Today we are seeing boiling point elevation delta TB, that is the second qualitative property from the solution topic. Now what is meant by the boiling point of the boiling point elevation? Elevation means increase. So see that the boiling point means the temperature at which vapor pressure of liquid becomes equal to the applied pressure. Now see the liquid, when on heating, it turns into this gaseous state. So the vapor pressure of the liquid becomes equal to the vapor pressure of the air, equal to 1 atm. So that temperature is called the boiling point of liquid. You will understand that the temperature at which vapor pressure of liquid becomes equal to applied pressure, or we can say that atmospheric pressure. So the boiling point of solution, consider that is a TB, is always greater than boiling point of pure solvent, that is delta 0B. Why? Because due to the presence of non-volatile solute present in the solution. So due to the non-volatile solute, more temperature is required. So boiling point of solution becomes greater than boiling point of pure solvent. So we have seen that is delta TB greater than delta 0B. So increase in boiling point or elevating boiling point we will calculate as a difference. So see that the difference between boiling point of solution and boiling point of solvent is called boiling point elevation delta TB. So elevation boiling point is calculated by delta TB equal to TB minus T0B. That is called the equation number 1. So whatever difference between boiling point of the solution and solvent, that is called boiling point elevation. Now see that boiling point elevation is related with the molar concentration. So delta TB directly proportional to the molality of solution. So we have rearranged that, calculated delta TB equal to Kb into m. So where Kb equal to molar boiling point constant, or that is called the molar, m is a molality of solution, Kb is equal to molar elevation constant, boiling point constant, or it is called ebullioscopic constant. So if now see the equation number 2, delta TB equal to Kb into m. When m equal to 0, m equal to 1, the delta TB becomes equal to Kb. So in another way, boiling point elevation constant also defined as what? That is a boiling point elevation when solution is of 1 molar. So both becomes equal. So next, that is according to the definition of molality. Molality is equal to number of moles of solute present in mass of solvent in kg. Now what will I add? Molality m equal to number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg. That should be in kg. So m equal to W2 upon m2 into W1 in kg. So m equal to W2 upon m2 into W1 in kg. So in kg means what? We have to convert the mass of the solvent into the kg. So divide by the 1000. So it goes into the numerator. So 1000 into W2 upon m2 into W1. Where W2 is a mass of solute, m2 molar mass of solute, and W1 mass of the solvent. So W2 upon m2 means what? Number of moles. So this value of m added in equation number 2. So equation 2 becomes delta TB equal to Kb into W2 into 1000 divided by m2 into W1. That is the equation number 3. So by using equation number 3, we can find out boiling point elevation. So next point is a relation between the boiling point elevation and molar mass of the solute. So by rearranging equation 3, we are getting m2 equal to kb into 1000 into w2 divided by delta tb into w1. So equation 4. So by using equation 4, we can determine molar mass of the solid. If mass of the solute W2, mass of solvent W1, molar delta TB, that is the boiling point elevation, and boiling point constant are known. So by plotting the graph against pressure against the temperature, we will see that the curve, pressure temperature curve, that is the AB, lies above the curve CD. So it shows that the boiling point of the solution is greater than boiling point of the pure solvent due to presence of the solute. That solute is a non-volatile. So that is called boiling point elevation. So question can ask further to derive the expression for boiling point elevation. So up to you have to write in a proper